Hey, Kalam here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate those type of subtitle. You can see this is a never stop marketing better. And if I'm going to a video, then
This
plain
is
video,
$10,000 sushi, and this is
you can see these subtitle are really attractive to people. If you are from India, Bangladesh, Africa, and Europe, America, all people are understand English language. So in this video, I'm totally explaining you how you can generate those type of subtitle using this tool. So this link I will in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So I'm going to first here, then I need to click this create free video now. Just one click here. Then I need to sign up here. Just I'm sign up with Google. Just click here. This is free method. Then I select again my Gmail account. Then again continue. Wow, my login are successfully. Then I want to create a video like this. Just click here. Then import what video you want to translate. Just I import a video. If you want to hire a freelancer for this work from Fiverr, Upwork, and any other freelance marketplace, you need at least $50 for each video. This is a fantastic tool. If you go in this price section, at first I want to translate this one. So I want to video playback in English. Here is lots of language supported. Example of English, French, Arabic, then again Dutch, Spanish, Germany, lots of language supported. Then going here, wow.
say what? Just say it. What do you
Then upload. Just click here, upload. Then you can see my video are processing. Then I am very excited because this is very cheaply tool. You are able to create subtitle. Wow. Now I need to select any others model, example of this one.
say it?
Then
say
play.
it. Say what? Just
Wow.
say it.
This one. This one. So I select number 4, 3, 4, 5. I select number 5 because this is really attractive to others people.
Say
Example,
it. Say what? Just say it. What do you want me to
wow, really good. So I want to export this video. Just click export. Then you can see my video are downloaded processing. So if you are download like this, you can see there is a AI watermark. But if you are want to professionally, you need to upgrade this plan. You can see zero tile. If you are want to export without buying this tool, you are able to 3 video export 200 MB. Then I recommend you for use this tool. You can see this is a $40. Pay now 100 video monthly, 400 MB for each video. So I really recommend you for play by this tool because of if you are work 30 video per month, you need to cost $50 into 30. You cost $1,500 for 1 month. But this tool save you lots of money. I mean, you need only $40. So I want to play this video again.
Say it. Say what? Just say it. What do you want me to say?
Wow,
Come on, just say it. Say it.
it's really good. So I have a 10% discount code. So this link I will let us in description below. When you buy this plan, use this discount code and then you will get 10% discount. So what type of video you want to next? Please comment below, and if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. See you next video. Take care. Bye.